Welcome to our in-depth review of Canva Magic Studio, a cutting-edge design tool that's been making waves in the creative community. As we dive into the world of AI-powered design, we'll explore what Canva Magic Studio has to offer, its pricing, and whether it's worth the hype. From transforming images to videos and upscaling your designs, we'll cover it all. So, what can you actually do with Canva Magic Studio? This AI-powered tool allows you to create stunning designs, from social media graphics to professional presentations. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily navigate through various templates, design elements, and editing tools. But what really sets it apart is its ability to transform images into videos and upscale your designs to give them a professional touch. One of the most pressing questions on everyone's mind is, can I use Canva Magic Studio for free? The answer is yes, but with limitations. Canva offers a free plan that gives you access to basic features. But if you want to unlock the full potential of the Magic Studio, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Pricing starts at around $12.95 per month, which is relatively affordable considering the features you get. However, it's essential to weigh the costs and benefits to determine if it's the right choice for your design needs. If you're new to Canva Magic Studio, don't worry, we've got you covered. Getting started is relatively straightforward, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need to invest some time in learning the ropes. We recommend checking out Canva's official tutorials and online resources to get a grasp of the tool's capabilities. Some tips to keep in mind include experimenting with different templates, playing around with the AI-powered editing tools, and taking advantage of the upscaled design features. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of Canva Magic Studio? On the positive side, the tool is incredibly user-friendly, and the AI-powered features are a game-changer for designers. The ability to transform images into videos and upscale designs is a significant advantage. However, one of the limitations is the limited control over the AI-powered editing tools, which can sometimes produce inconsistent results. Additionally, the free plan has limited features, and the paid plans may not be suitable for everyone's budget. In conclusion, Canva Magic Studio is a powerful design tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and edit designs. While it has its limitations, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Whether you're a professional designer or a beginner, Canva Magic Studio is definitely worth exploring. With its affordable pricing, user-friendly interface, and cutting-edge AI-powered features, it's an excellent addition to any designer's toolkit. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.